This kid. So this kid, his name is Charlie, has a monster slap shot. He's gonna try to kill this kid, Adam.
Okay, I'm ready. Sasha, ready?
Yep. Go. We're all boys here.
I'm one of those people that has always cared about you, but not as a
Wait. Oh! Oh my God! He's going again. Oh! Oh my God! It's a great miracle, boys. It's a great miracle. All right, I gotta put this stuff like right here.
Can you seriously upload this on YouTube?
Yeah. Wait. I want to put this like right here. Wait, could you guys see if this is... Charlie. Oh! Charlie, go on this side and like see if it... Yeah, this is good. This is good.
Okay, I'm gonna stand this up like a man. I'm not. Man up, Adam, or at least move it up.
Oh! Here, now.
Are you okay, Adam? I pulled it up. Yeah, like a Weight Watcher. Except this time, the Weight Watcher is the ball, and I don't think
All right,
it's heavy.
now my turn, people. Let's go.
Ball, I bet you're not heavy. Please don't be.
Wait.
Adam, don't. No, come on! Don't.
Oh, come on,
Okay.
one more. Charlie, you're like 5.
Times for putting this on YouTube, you idiot.
Come on! One more.
One more time.
One more. All right.
Wait. No. You broke your stick. Now it's turning into
Wait.
Adam, I don't think that you want to let me see the stick. Wait. One more shot. And it's just... Okay!
Charlie's turn. Charlie, say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Hi, camera.
Aim at the heart. Aim at the chest. Here I go. I'm going to try and take the hardest slap shot I've ever taken. Aim at the nuts. No! They can't really see you. Oh!
He's hurt.
literally mean it, Charlie. I didn't mean to. Adam, are you okay? Are you okay? Or did it hit you? What did it hit you? Stomach. Are you okay? Adam, it's not my fault. I didn't tell you.
No, shut up.
I didn't mean to.
You
I'm
okay?
gonna my mom. No, don't. Okay,
He's not a pussy.
Fuck. You're alive.
Adam.
I am so gonna laugh at this when I watch this. I am so gonna laugh. He's alive! Cut out half of this section. But not this part. This is so cool.
Yeah, I know.
He's alive!
Are you faking it? Seriously.
I'm just thinking about all the laughs I'm gonna have after I see this.
I'm not gonna cut this part out.
He's alive! I have 2 more shots at him.
All right. Wait, time out. Alright, let me see if you guys can see that. Can they? There we go. Wait, Charlie, go like over here because they can't really see you. Wait, move it over here.
Okay. Hey, I'm gonna take the hardest shot ever.
Again.
Correction, my hardest first shot ever.
Oh my god.
That's hot. Hold it.
Wait, Charlie, move over.
There the hole. Oh, it's a miracle.
My turn. Yeah, my turn, Charlie. Alright, here we go.
Here's what you
My turn. You can't see me. You can't see me, you two.
I can't see you because I just got hit by the hardest slap shot ever.
You're gonna block it.
Hello.